Your turn. Thank you. Okay, your turn. Thank you. I don't have any friends. Pull me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whow.
Skxppy.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be making a sad trap beat or like an emotional trap beat, and yeah, I know you don't really care, but it's gonna be a trap beat like Kid Leroy or like A Boogie or maybe like Juice WRLD would rap on. Hey Skxppy, what did you say? Whew. Yo, sorry y'all. Had to get rid of my depression real quick. But welcome back to another video. I hope you're ready for today's video though, cause today we got something nice. So, depression was correct. We're gonna be making an emotional trap beat today. Yeah, you know those songs you keep on replay after every argument or breakup because it reminds you of your ex? So yeah, that's what we on today. Now you know I'm Mr. Waste No Time, so let's not waste no time and let's get to it. Oh, well first, like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know. Cause just like these plants, you know we let it grow. And I don't always watch Skxppy's videos, but when I do, I subscribe. The hell? Oh, what's good, y'all? Alright, so now that we in the stew, even though I don't know how I got here for real, we gonna start working at an emotional trap beat, alright? Now, today, I'm feeling the piano, so I think that's what we gonna use for our first melody. And before we start this beat, I'm gonna need one more thing. Yeah, headphones. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm gonna use this default plugin, but I don't even like calling it a default plugin because like it's really wavy. But I'm gonna use this plugin. We gonna grab a piano. But my bad, headphones wasn't plugged in. Right. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so I was struggling, so I had to turn up the camera just, you know, to give myself a little bit more focus. But I went back to the piano after searching for a bunch of different sounds. And this is what I came up with. Something like, you feel me? Alright, so those are the chords. So I made a D minor chord progression. Then after that, I threw a little EQ on it, took a little bit of the lows out, and then I added a halftime, which I put some effects on that. And then after that, I just threw on some reverb in. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I feel like that's a loop because it's not giving me like a vibe to actually make a full beat off of. So what I'm gonna do is consolidate it. It's gonna turn it into like a waveform or a loop. And then all I'm gonna do is just play around with that, see what I could come out of it with that, and then I'm gonna make something off of that. Alright. Alright. Word. So now that we got that consolidated into a loop, we're gonna use that as our main melody. And then we're gonna add like 2 more melodies on there, throw some drums, and that's gonna be the beat. So let's get to it. Oh, also, you hear this? Yeah, it's a car outside and the alarm is going off. So please excuse me if you hear that throughout the video. There's nothing I can do about that. It's not my car, it's somebody else's. I live in New York City. Word. Alright, boom. So that's melody number 2. You feel me? I also throw a little percussion in there, just cause I like how like it, created a little vibe. You feel me? I think I'm gonna do some more to it though. So now let's throw in the drums. You feel me? Let's get to it. Excuse Thomas, who's still barking. Hey yo, shut the. But yeah, let's get to Thomas.
You stupid.
Let's get to the drums. Fucking fire! Stop playing with me, bro. I does this, bro. Now, I know this beat is not really emotional, but it is like, I feel like the melodies are emotional and the drums is what brings up the vibe. I never want to make really sad beats to where people are like in depression, but I like to make it sad and then uplifting at the same time. You feel me?
Skxppy.